Enroll in this course to learn how to draw from the get-go. This online course gets straight to the point and is the path to quickly gain drawing skills you may never have imagined you could have. Hi, my name is Amelia, and a few years ago, I couldn't draw. And I thought only certain talented people could, but I had a crazy desire to make amazing art even though I was always extremely disappointed with my results. With a lot of perseverance and time, I managed to teach myself different techniques that allowed me to now draw like a pro. I only wish I could have found these techniques when I was a beginner, and that's why I decided to create this course. Anyone can learn to be a great drawing artist. Believe it or not, it's the truth. In this course, I will teach you how to prevent some beginner mistakes, starting by telling you the real problems that many people encounter when they first start drawing. I'll give you methods and tricks that will quickly allow you to draw very well, and I guarantee you will see results from the very first videos. We'll start with the drawing fundamentals by learning the different facial parts using the right proportions and learning how to draw the human structure. Next, you will learn with step-by-step videos how to draw different types of flowers, animals, and realistic objects, including still life. Then you'll even learn how to draw anime and manga characters. You'll understand the basic knowledge of perspective, as well as how to use value, shadows, contrast, and highlights. But best of all, I will also give you the ultimate trick to successfully draw anything you want. With this course, I provide full support where you can reach out to me anytime. Plus, I added a bonus section where you will find many easy downloadable grid sheet images to practice. Believe me, you will soon amaze your friends and family with those. But that's not all. I have also included intermediate downloadable grids and grid images of popular stars. These will take your drawing skills to a higher level. But wait, there's more. I also offer a 100% full money-back guarantee and a full lifetime access. So what are you waiting for? Sign up now and improve your drawing skills today.